camping just got a major upgrade in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a weekend warrior, innovative camping gear and gadgets can change your camping experience. Looking for the best camping gear and gadgets in 25? You're in the right place! In this video, we'll show you 30 must-have camping gadgets, including the latest survival gear, portable power stations, solar camping gear, and outdoor cooking tools that every camper needs. Whether you're into backpacking, van life, or off-grid adventures, these innovative tools will take your trip to the next level. Don't miss the most viral, trending, and useful camping gear for 2025. Without further ado, let's get started. Reliable lighting is a must-have for emergencies, outdoor adventures, and off-grid situations. Meet the Cowherd Rechargeable Lantern, a powerful 2-in-1 LED flashlight and lantern designed for ultimate versatility. It features 3 lantern light modes and 3 searching light modes, including an emergency white strobe light, making it perfect for camping, hiking, power outages, and home use. Built with durable, waterproof, and shockproof ABS material, it's ready for any condition. The Type-C charging port ensures fast recharging, and the power bank function keeps your devices powered on the go. A foldable hook adds portability and convenience, letting you hang or carry it with ease. Brighten up your adventures with color, fun, and dependable light. Reliable shelter is essential for a safe and comfortable outdoor adventure in any season. Introducing the NTK Indie Outdoor Tent, a high-performance 3-season dome tent designed for maximum comfort and durability. Its 2,500 mm partially aluminized polyester rainfly provides full waterproof coverage and UV protection, while the extended front and detachable vestibule floor offer extra space and airflow. Clear windows brighten the interior, and breathable micro mesh on all sides keeps pests out and fresh air in. The tent's NanoFlex color-coded fiberglass poles, reinforced Oxford fabric, heavy-duty zippers, and thick straps ensure strength and stability. Easy to set up and pack, it's a dependable companion for camping in any weather. Cooking efficiently outdoors requires reliable, mess-free cookware that's easy to pack and clean. The Gerber Gear Complete Griddle delivers premium performance with its durable carbon steel non-stick surface, ensuring even heat distribution and easy cleanup. Designed for campers and outdoor chefs, this portable camping griddle features tall sidewalls to reduce spills and maximize cooking space on camp stoves. The square shape offers a practical fit, while the silicone-coated detachable handle provides a secure, comfortable grip and doubles as a bottle opener for added versatility. Whether you're preparing breakfast at base camp or grilling in the backcountry, this griddle is a compact, rugged solution built with Gerber gear quality and outdoor adventure in mind. Quick and efficient inflation is crucial when setting up camp or enjoying outdoor activities. The Eaton Wolf air pump delivers powerful performance in a compact size, making it the ideal companion for travel and home use. With a rapid 360 liters per minute airflow, it inflates and deflates items like air mattresses, pool floats, vacuum storage bags, and more, twice as fast as standard pumps. It's built with a 2600 mAh battery that supports extended use and includes a 40-hour camping light for added convenience. This ultra-fast mini-electric air pump comes with 5 nozzles, ensuring compatibility with most inflatable products, all while remaining portable, lightweight, and efficient for every adventure or emergency. Keeping food and drinks cold for extended periods is essential for any outdoor adventure, whether you're camping, tailgating, or road tripping. The Cooler Pack reusable ice pack offers a powerful and space-saving solution, engineered to stay cold for up to 5 days. Made from ultra-durable, multi-layer coated waterproof fabric, it's non-toxic, leak-proof, and safe for storing potable drinking water. This refillable, rollable pack comes in 7, 10, and 15-pound sizes and secures to cooler walls using rust-resistant snaps, saving precious space inside. When not in use, it drains quickly and folds away for compact storage. Cooler Pack is a reliable and rugged choice that replaces messy ice and soggy food with consistent cold and outdoor convenience. Staying warm and comfortable during cold outdoor activities requires the right pair of pants. The Santini Women's Fleece-lined joggers are designed to keep you cozy, dry, and stylish in chilly conditions, ranging from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Made with soft fleece lining, these winter pants lock in heat while the water-resistant, 4-way stretch fabric repels light rain and snow. A 3-inch high waistband with an adjustable drawstring provides tummy control and a custom fit. Practicality meets comfort with 4 pockets, including a zippered side and back pocket to securely hold your phone and essentials. With tapered cuffs to block out cold air, these joggers are perfect for hiking, running, lounging, skiing, yoga, or everyday wear. Maintaining stability and reducing joint impact is essential during long hikes, steep climbs, or uneven terrain. Introducing the Tracology trekking poles, the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum for unmatched durability and strength. Each pole weighs only 11.5 ounces, lighter than your average umbrella, making them ideal for all-day trekking, backpacking, or even casual strolls. The folding design ensures portability, while enhanced joints with metal caps offer extra security. These hiking sticks feature ergonomic cork grips that wick away sweat, keeping your hands dry and in control. Suitable for seniors, men, and women, these lightweight, collapsible poles deliver comfort, performance, and reliability on any adventure, from ski trails to mountain streams.